Welcome to my kitchen, guys. So today I'm going to do something that I've been wanting to do for a long time. And if you are one of my longtime friends, aside from makeup, skincare, and everything else, this is what I also love to do. And I love nail art. I love anything with nails. I got myself a polygel pack and my husband got it for me and I'm so excited. So I hid this package from myself because I got this like 3 days ago, but I had to wait till the weekend. I've been wanting to learn to do this for a long time, and I guess this is a good thing to start with. I've watched a lot of YouTube. I practically almost know how to do this already because of all the YouTube channels I've watched. It's a little bit of an investment, but you know, I want to do more of this on my channel. So this is a UV lamp. It's a nail lamp slash dryer. Comes in a box. I think it got dented a little bit. So the reason why I'm also in the kitchen is because we have a tabletop here and it's somewhere that Goku, my son, won't be able to reach. So here it's bubble wrapped. I guess this is the adapter. Love, look at it.
Looks like a turtle.
He says it's a turtle. So this is where you put your hands in so that you get to cure your gel nail polish or the polygel that I have. I forgot how much it is. I'll put it right here. Okay. Look, it's so pretty. So I got this because it got a lot of reviews and it's practical and it was quite cheap. And of course it looks super pretty. Let's check first if it works because you never know. Okay, so plugging it in. It works! And it has a 10-second, 30-second, 60 seconds, and 99 seconds. That's how long you want to cure. I remember it said it's automatic. It detects my hands when it goes in. Alright, so the next one came in this little package, I mean. So it comes in a box, polygel. Morbray polygel nail enhancement system kit. I'll put the price right here because I gotta remember. So it looks like this. Comes in a 15 gram little tube and there's nude pink. I'll show you guys the colors later, but this is pretty much the set. This is the dual forms where I will apply the polygel in and it will just shape things for me. Slip solution, and we have a nail file. It's quite rough. Ooh, and we have the brush. I know one end is a brush. And this is the spatula. That's the spatula. And then it comes with base coat and top coat. And I believe this comes with a bit of nail art. There's some nail stickers right there. And this is what I wanted, and they're gold. So that's nice. Okay, so let's get started. Alright, so here I'm going to be doing the nail prep before applying the polygel. So I just trimmed my nails here and buffing the sharp edges and basically shaping my nails. And before that, I want to show you the polygels that came with the kit and show you the colors that it came with. And so this one is clear pink, nude, and this is clear, white, natural pink, and pink nude. So it's all pretty much natural looking colors, and yeah, I can't wait to get started. So here I'm going to apply the base coat on my nails, and what I did wrong here is I applied it directly onto my nails without buffing the surface of my nail bed, which caused the product not to attach to my nails very well. So make sure to buff it before applying the base coat. And so here I'm going to pick out the dual forms that comes in many sizes, and I'm going to pick the one that fits my nails best. And so here comes the slip solution that it came with. Basically, it's 70% alcohol. And now I'm applying the polygel onto the dual form. Taking my brush onto the slip solution and using it to form the polygel onto the dual form on however I want it to look like. So I'm just spreading it out and smoothing and making sure it's smooth and up to the length that I want. Now what the slip solution does is helps the polygel not stick onto the brush or the spatula. So here I'm just fixing up the bottom part, since when you press it, it pushes the product. And now here I am being quite delicate at first because I was afraid that I'm gonna break the nail. And yeah, I tried to even pry it with the spatula, but that didn't work. So I just decided to pop it out with force, and there you go, a shiny nail. And here I'm doing this technique that I saw somewhere, I think Pinterest, and you just apply the polygel on your nail and push it with the dual form and fix it in the bottom part, but that did not work out so well for me. So here I'm just doing it the regular way. Here I'm using the nude pink. And yes, I am trying all the colors because I wanted to see how it looks like on my nail so that I know what to do in the future for new ideas. And here I'm just trimming the nails and filing it down to the shape that I like. Make sure to also clean it up with alcohol because it does have a sticky residue after you cure it. Here I'm trying the clear pink. It looks very natural, very nice. And this one is natural pink, which I don't like. It's not natural at all, at least on me. It looks like my nail is sick. But I think this will look good on a different skin tone, but definitely not for me. And here maybe I'm complaining. I forgot what I said. And here I'm going to try the white polygel. It looks really nice. It's not a blinding white, but it's a soft white, great for a French tip. And here I'm using clear, which I'm excited to use in the future for nail art. And here I'm just taking alcohol and cleaning up the surfaces of the nails to keep that residue away. Taking my favorite nail polish from Sephora. It's just a regular nail polish and it applies nicely onto the nails, though it does look a bit rough because I guess I didn't smooth out the nail as well as I should have. But yeah, I just applied 2 coats on each nail and it covered it nicely. Just don't look at it from the bottom. So yeah, it looks a bit rough. I didn't clean the edges at all because I was lazy. And now here I'm applying a top coat on the area where I'm gonna put the gem, which I picked a cute gold triangle. And now I'm sealing it all with the top coat. Make sure to cure that for 60 seconds and just don't look at the bottom. But yeah, there you go. That's my nails for the very first time ever learning how to apply polygel nail extensions. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Let me know in the comments below if this is something that you would like to see more of. because you don't have a choice. I'm actually going to post more about this because this is just one of my favorite things to do. So stay tuned for more nail art and nail journey that I'm gonna go through, and I hope to see you guys next time. And make sure to follow me on my socials and hit that like button if you like this video, and subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see more of what I will release soon enough. And I hope you guys have a great day, stay healthy, and I will see you guys later. Bye.